Sizzler. Would you ever go to Sizzler?
But I got it on camera. What the hell happened?
Like that bike.
I heard them.
And then the car behind him go.
Hey. Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on here.
Come back! It's my boarding pass, credit cards, phone numbers, my life! Come back!
Checking first is smart. So check Allstate first for a quote that can save you hundreds. You're in good hands with Allstate. State is varying, subject to terms.
citizenship has now the backing of a Trump
Yeah, we've got-
administration. This is apparently the work of Homeland Security Casino, who's working with writers and producers to make this reality show.
Real life Running Man. I don't know if you ever saw the Stephen King. Oh yeah, it was a Schwarzenegger movie called Running Man. As a criminal who'd been sentenced to death, have to do an obstacle course to